Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Just wanted to show you what I've been up to. I am on a bracelet kick. Thank you to Darlene Knight. I found these nuggets, and I have some wood beads and some, this is dye. I'm doing some other stuff too. My finger has dye on it, so forgive that. Been working in the studio a lot today. So here we go with some turquoise nuggets. This is jasper right here, and this is some lava beads and wood, another turquoise, and I want to say this is a different type of jasper. I can't remember what those stones are. These right here. But anyway, here's a set of two, but I think I'm not sure how I'm going to sell these. To me, I am creating a men's bracelet, but of course they are unisex. These are carnelian stones with a nice silver centerpiece, some more lava beads and wood, and tiger eye centerpieces. Nice chunky tiger eye piece in the center here, along with some faceted tiger eye on the side. Another piece of jasper here, and then we got the wood beads. Again, jasper and tiger eye and some glass black beads. That's a nice set right there. And the final set are hematite with some obsidian and some silver, and this is blue tiger eye. And then we have more silver centerpiece, and I can't remember what the name of this stone right here is, but if I can, I'll drop it in the comments below and let you guys know what it is. I can't even remember where I got them from. I've had them for almost 2, maybe 3 years, and decided when I was making men's jewelry a while back. So here's all my, so far, I just sitting down watching TV and doing a Hulu binge. Decided I would make some of these bracelets. I'm on a Father's Day prep. Tell me what you think, guys. Thanks, Darlene, for the inspiration on these nuggets. And you guys have a great day and create something amazing. Bye.